Hi, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to my recap. Today is Thursday, and I'm here to, show you the recap of trades I took this morning. Ladies and gentlemen, I went from green to red, which is very sad. I started my trading very nicely. I was nicely up. I keep trading. Even though I already reached my, you know, uh, my mass gain, but I keep trading. And then my profit day or my green day turned to be a red day. So let's log in my my account or watch my screen, all together. Let's see what happened. So I'm going now to show you, ladies and gentlemen. Let me put back my picture and let's see. This is the trade I took today. Today I traded Tesla and NVDA. So let me play the video and we will see what happened, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, now the market is open at 9:30 now. Right away, the market open. Now I'm watching now Tesla. I'm watching NVIDIA. I'm going to change now my ticker, So now the Tesla now is on my screen, as you can see, ladies and gentlemen. And Tesla just break up. That is this is the new high Tesla took, on this trade, in the morning. And when Tesla was breaking out, going to the new high, the market, as you can see here, were trending down. The market was trending completely down, and Tesla was now going up. And now I start watching Tesla. I said, maybe this can be a good opportunity for long, But my mind was that if I long Tesla, I wouldn't last. I gotta do a quick trade here. That is what I did. As you can see, I took 30 shares here of Tesla long. And now this trade turned on to be a very nice one. In the meantime, I was watching NVIDIA. I try also to figure out with NVIDIA, but I'm going to sell Tesla right away. As you can see, you will see. Because I didn't hold Tesla for long. Let me forward it and see what I did. Now I'm out of Tesla. You see, I took Tesla here and I was out here. And it gave me almost $1. Yes. And now I was watching NVIDIA in the meantime. NVIDIA went to the new high. Now I bought also NVIDIA here, as you can see. I went in here to NVIDIA, long NVIDIA, as you can see here. And let's see how NVIDIA turned to be. And now I sold NVIDIA here, as you can see here. I went in here and I sold here. Also, I took almost $1. I had now two beautiful trades, ladies and gentlemen. So my morning started very nicely, with two winning trades. It was good. Let me forward it and see what I did next. And now, let me put it back a little bit. You see here, when Tesla started reversing, I started watching Tesla for a short. That is what I did. And now I short Tesla here for a reverse. I took Tesla short. And now it was also my third consecutive green trade, which was very nice. As you can see here, you see, I sold Tesla here. I went in here and I sold here. You can see my P&L here. You can see my P&L, ladies and gentlemen. I put it back, I play it back. Now, it was nice. More than $1 for Tesla. Very nicely. Now, I had three good trades, ladies and gentlemen. Three good trades. As you can see. Let me play a little bit back. Yes, I have three good trades. So now I will start watching the market and see, you know, think about my fourth trade. I was thinking which trade I'm going to take. Let's forward a little bit and see what happened, ladies and gentlemen. Let's see. And Tesla will keep trading down, but I let money on the table. Fine, it's happened. You won't finish money from the market. You will take whatever you can take. So, and now I started watching NVIDIA for probably a long trade. Okay, watching NVIDIA for a long trade. Let me see what I did. I was watching NVIDIA for a long trade. Now I'm gonna buy NVIDIA here long soon. Yes, I bought NVIDIA here long, as you can see here, and you see my P&L. I bought NVIDIA long, and this one also, it turned out to be nice trade. That was my trade number 4, ladies and gentlemen. It was also a good trade. You can see here. Watching. Let me forward it and see. And NVIDIA turned, reverse. But I keep holding. I hold NVIDIA, I gave him more room. Why? Because the market was trading up. That is the reason why I keep holding NVIDIA, even though NVIDIA already down more than $1. I hold NVIDIA, let me forward it and see. And NVIDIA reversed. NVIDIA responded to the market and it reversed. And let me see. NVIDIA reversed, and now I sold NVIDIA somewhere here on the resistance side, ladies and gentlemen. This is where I sold NVIDIA. It was also my 4th trade. You see, I sold here, ladies and gentlemen. 4 trade, 4 green trade. I was on the driving side. I was on the driver's side, ladies and gentlemen. It was nice. And I'm telling you, I wish I could have stopped here, because if I stopped everything here, it could have been a very nice day for me. But you know what? I felt a little bit invincible. I said, let me take my 5th trade. And now I start watching. I was watching Tesla because I saw that Tesla was weak. Tesla now was below the VWAP, the 20 EMA, the 9 EMA. I start watching Tesla for the reversal. Let me forward it again and see what I did. Okay. Now I start watching Tesla. Start watching Tesla. Start watching Tesla. Let me forward it and see what I did. Ladies and gentlemen, and I was trying to short Tesla at this level. But I think if I could have retaken this trade today, let's say right now, I couldn't take this trade here. I could have waited the trade to come below this level, because this was the top support. But ladies and gentlemen, I was early. I took this trade here. Here is not good, because this is the resistance which turned to be a support, a strong support. Normally I was supposed to long this trade, but I short it. I short here, as you're gonna see. Let me forward it again, and you will see. Okay. Now this is where I was about to short the stock. You can see my cursor here. This is where I short the stock. But apparently it was weak. It was good, but it didn't work. You can see here how I got in on the stock here. This is where I short the stock to keep going down. But unfortunately, the stock directly reversed. That is what I'm saying, that you see the support. The stock was still on the support. Even though it seems to be weak, but it was still on the support side. I was supposed to wait for this stock, to keep going down, to show me that it crossing this line, and then I could have short the stock. But I was earlier. I went here, and you can see here I already $1 down, which wasn't good, And I keep holding the stock. I keep holding it. Let me forward it and see. Soon as the stock break the 20 EMA, which is the blue line, this green line, and I went out. That was my first losing trade this morning, the fifth one. In the meantime, since I was focused on Tesla, I didn't pay attention on NVDA. NVDA was keep trending up, as you can see. It could have been a good trade for me if maybe, let's say, I took it from here. But I was focused on Tesla. So, now, let me forward it a little bit. Now, I'm about to get out of Tesla here. I'm about to get out, and Tesla going to break out here, and I will get out. Let's see. Okay, now this is where I got out. You can see now the blue point here. Now I sold Tesla for the loss, ladies and gentlemen. That was my first loss, my first losing trade, and I was looking for a second one. I was looking for a fifth trade, but I think this was a sign. When you're trading, ladies and gentlemen, we will say it over and over, even though sometimes it happened to us. But we need to understand that when you already make your money, for example, I have my goal, the amount I was expecting to have today. I crossed that amount. Normally, when I gave 20% of my gain, I was supposed to stop trading, because that is how the pro does. But, humans are greedy. What direct the market is greediness and fear. Greedy and fear. And that is what, control the market. And now I was greedy. I was supposed to stop here and say, you know what? I made money and I lost some, but I prefer to go with this. But I didn't see that. I keep trading. I took another trade. Let's see. Now I'm about now to long NVDA somewhere here, because I saw that NVDA now is a bull flag, a breakout. But unfortunately, NVIDIA going to give me, money. I will have a gain from my trade, but I will be not be able to take that gain. Why? Because I was greedy. I wanted more. NVIDIA gave me $1, which means what? That NVIDIA give me 100%. Look, now I took NVIDIA here long because I saw the bull flag. NVIDIA break out here, and I took it for the long side, the continuation. But I will even double this trade, ladies and gentlemen. I'm going to double it. But NVIDIA gave me 100%. But I was greedy. I wanted more. Because why? Because I already lost my how can I say? My fourth trade. I already lost it. So I was expecting this trade to cover the loss, which is not good, ladies and gentlemen. When you have a loss, you can't expect the next trade to cover all your loss. You can't expect the trade just for one trade. You say, oh, I'm going to cover everything, and that is what I did, because NVIDIA gave me, as you can see here, I'm going to double this trade, and the trade will going to give me 100% gain, but I would take that gain. Let's forward it and see, ladies and gentlemen. You see, I doubled the trade. I doubled the trade here, which was not bad. It wasn't bad, ladies and gentlemen. But this trade going to be a nice trade, but I won't take the profit. Let me forward it again. You see here, the trade now keep going. The stock keep going. It was a nice trade, Let me forward it again. Okay, let's stop the trade here. For example, you see here, I already have 100% gain, but I'm not able to take the payment. You know, I'm not getting out because I was expecting more. You can see here, I have 20 share. I have $21. That is more than a 100% gain. But I'm not taking, uh, you know, the money. I'm not paying myself, ladies and gentlemen. That was wrong. Yeah, that was wrong. You know, let's play in the video and see what happened. And this trade will turn on to be a losing trade. See how I'm coming from the winning trade to become a losing one. You see? Now I'm see here. I was supposed to bail out here, but I didn't do that. I was supposed to recover here. I mean to bail out, but I didn't do it. Let's forward it and see. Let's forward again. Now I'm now on the red side. Even here, I could have bail out, even, flat. But I keep holding the stock. I keep holding. You will see here that the stock start coming down. I keep hoping. You see here, even here, I was supposed to get out of the stock because I went from 20 something dollars, 100%. Now I'm coming now to lose. I'm going now to lose 100% also, which is not good, ladies and gentlemen. What the stock? Let's forward it again. Okay, look here, for example, ladies and gentlemen. The stock keep going down. I keep holding the stock, expecting because why? Why was it possible to me to hold the stock right up to here? Because I was watching the market. The market was trending up. We have several green candles on the market, ladies and gentlemen. Several green candles. That is why I was expecting NVDA to react from the market, but it didn't do it. NVIDIA didn't react, to the market. And I keep holding. I keep holding. Finally, what I did, the stock keep trending down here. As you can see now, I bail out here, ladies and gentlemen. This is where I went out of the stock with more than $1 down, which wasn't good, ladies and gentlemen. Yes, it wasn't good. So this is where I placed 4 trade. I mean, I think it was a 6 trade approximately, and I won 4 and I lost 2. But the 2 trade I lost was my loss was a little bit bigger than my winners. You can see my result here, ladies and gentlemen. You see, I was $34 down. I was almost $75, but now I came back to the red, the red side. So I went from the green to the red, which wasn't good, ladies and gentlemen. So those are the things we have to correct. Don't forget, trading is to improve, improving and improving. When you make mistakes, you think about your mistakes and you decide that next time you won't make the same mistake. That is what's going to make you to become a very professional trader. Nobody, even the professional traders, always sometimes they make mistakes and they have to correct themselves. Correct and correct. So this was a recap for this morning, ladies and gentlemen. And I really appreciate, your time, during this recap, and hope that next time we'll be here and for another recap. Thank you and goodbye.